Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create your Spotify DNA. Okay, I guess I'm already on there, but if you're not on that page, just go to this website and then select create now on or create with Spotify here, and select the DNA one. And then just connect with your Spotify. I did that already, so it won't show up. But it's going to show this Spotify DNA thing. And just select the top artists of all time, and it will make this more DNA graphs. And you can also select the theme. DNA graph. Okay, I don't know why I said that, but select the theme. Oh, I like this one. I actually like the green ones a lot. That one's pretty cute as well. And once you're done, you're just going to select either share card and save it, or just right click and simply select save image. And this is what it should look like. There you go. And that's it. This is just the website. You can just enter this website and connect it with your Spotify. You can also not show your username and show not show the details. But yeah, hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.